Have you ever wondered how to make a 3D X base? How do you make those X's? So, today I'm going to teach you how. So you're going to take 5 beads, and you're going to go right through this purple bead. I have another video on how to make an X base, so if you don't know how, you can go over there and check it out, and then come back here. So another 5 beads. Wait, hold on. Anyways, after you string on those 5 beads, it should look like a small point. You're going to take another 5 beads and go through the next connector bead. Pull it. Make sure you're pulling these super tight so that they keep their pointy shape. So that's how it should look right here. As you can see, I'm starting to run low on string here, so I'm gonna show you how to add on more. So I take the 2 sides of the original string and the string that I'm gonna put on it. So, and then I tie it like how you would tie a balloon. So, wrap it around. You should have a loop here. Put the 2 strings, or the 2 end of the strings, and push it through that loop. There we go. Bailey! Sorry, that was just my brother talking. Anyways, you can go ahead and cut off the ends, and now you've added on more string. Okay, so now we're at the last spike. We're going to take the same 5 beads, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 beads. And then we're going to string it through this purple bead. Okay, let me show you better. So we're going to go through this purple bead right here, and then up through these 3. I'll show you right here. So up these 2, and then these other 2. And make sure not to tangle your string. There we go. Now we have spikes all around, and we're coming out of this point. So now we're going to grab 2 beads and go down to this connector bead right down here. And then we grab another 2 beads, and this time we're going to go up through this point. Two beads, down through the connector bead, two beads, up through the point. Oh, darn it. Up through the point. Like that. So see how we have an X there? This is how you make it. I'll do this one more time. 1, 2, 2 beads down through this connector bead. And then 2 more beads. And then up through the point. See that? Now we repeat that all the way around. So remember, you go down here, then up to here.